Alright, so you're gonna start with the rotisserie chicken. My favorite's from Walmart, don't judge me. It just tastes best, and it's juicy still. So you're gonna cut off the quarters like this, the hind quarters. And you're gonna save that meat. The dark meat's the best part. We're ripping off the wing bits here, pulling off the joint. You cut down the sternum in the middle. And then you peel the white meat off. We're gonna save this carcass and we're gonna use this for our stock. You could use the white meat for chicken sandwiches later, or you could slice it and put it on top of your soup. These are the pearls on the back. We're gonna start putting some water in the pot. How long are we gonna cook the chicken in the pot for? I don't know, figure it out. Taste it along the way and you'll figure it out. We're gonna shred the dark meat here. We're gonna save the dark meat. We're saving the bones and skin aside. Here's our little container for our dark meat. Look at that. Best part. Alright, so we're still boiling over here. We put our chicken bits in the pot that we don't want, like our bones and skin. Look at that juice from the rotisserie chicken. Yeah, pour that in. Better than bouillon is what I have at my store, but these days I use collagen bone broth, so you can just like make your own broth. How much water you put in? Just like whatever feels right, I guess. Cover the chicken. Boil this shit for like at least an hour and taste it and make sure it starts to have flavor, like maybe even close to an hour and a half. Like break the skin down. In the meantime, we cut up our veggies here. We got our noodles on the side, bok choy, carrots, onions, ginger, mushrooms. Here's where I already made my stock, so here's the stock here. I've already made my broth. Heating it up. Putting in the chicken from the day before. We're just letting that get boily hot again. There we go. Put in some sake. Put in some sesame oil and some mirin. Some carrots, some onions. Stir that shit up. Now we're dicing up scallions as the garnish on top. I don't usually put that in the soup ahead of time. I usually put that on the very end. There's my bok choy. Some water chestnuts for something crunchy. Bring that back up to a boil. Add some soy sauce. Bam. Hell yeah, soup. It's a lot more vegetables than they have in Japan's actual udon noodles, so don't come at me. I like fancy noodles. We are boiling our udon noodles just till they break up and get soft. Hell yeah, look at that. We're gonna scoop some nudes. Veggies on top. Veggies and chicken. We're gonna put some broth in there because you can't have dry ramen. Well, udon noodles. Dry udon. Well, you can, but this is not a stir fry. We got udon noodle soup here. Crack some pepper over the top. Bam. Garnish it with some scallions again. Fuck yeah, it's my favorite part.
Finally, some good fucking food.
Now you've learned how to impress somebody with making some home noodles. I can do an update if you want. This is like a really old version. This is like 2 years old at least, maybe even 3. So let me know if you want an update.